So same thing with you guys, right? When that strike is coming in. Okay. What throws people off is the idea of naname, this angle, right? Because we give you an expedient in mod 1 that we tell you it's about a 45-degree angle. But what are you basing it on? Where you're standing, right? Because I want you to get the best of both worlds, back and to the side. But naname is not 45, it's not 30, it's not 20, it's not 72, it's right? It's angled to the attack while flat to them. But because of this technique, I need to be like just on, right? I also need to wait till the last second because that's what's going to start breaking his balance. I don't have to hit as hard because he's actually locking out to land. And the more firm he is to get ready to land, the easier it is to start to create another balance. If you hit too soon, you just feed the next one, right? This. Ready to go. Okay? So